Hi class, today we are going to be making a widget in class. In order to make a widget, you will need the following items: a piece of paper, a paper clip, and a pen or pencil or Sharpie marker. So here's how we're going to start. We're going to take the piece of paper and we're going to fold it in half, like so. Right, this is our folded piece of paper, and I'm going to fold it a second time, right? So now, when I open this piece of paper, you'll notice that there are 4 quadrants on the piece of paper. You'll notice on one side of the paper, of the fold, there are all the edges. So all the sides here, there should be 4 of them, right? 1, 2, 1, 2. Right? On the other side, there's just 2 edges. It's just the folds and the crease, correct? All right. I'm going to then open my piece of paper, and as I said, you'll have 4 quadrants, and I'm going to make a circle figure on the center of the fold. Right? Then I'm going to fold it back up, right? And I'm going to fold it one more time, right? And you'll notice again when I fold it that on one side of the fold I have 8 edges, right? So there's all the edges of the paper right there. And on the other side is just the crease of the folds, right? Nothing that can cut me there. I'm going to take my paper clip and I'm going to stick it on the side with all of the edges, right? That is a widget. We're going to be making those in class. Your teacher might also tell you that you could possibly put an X in the center. It is up to your teacher. We are going to be doing this in class momentarily, so look forward to seeing your widgets.